Hi, this is Elliot with Kixie, and today we're going to talk about how to make a phone call transfer to an external number. So in your Kixie Power Call dialer, you'll already have a phone call going on that you'll want to transfer to the external phone number. So to start with, click on the hold call button to put that person on hold, and then go down to the dial pad and simply enter the external phone number that you wish to call. When you ring them up, that'll create another line below your existing one. Just wait for that second phone number to pick up. You'll be connected to them one-on-one. You can say, "Hi Radek, I have a transfer for you. Just hold on for a second." And you'll notice at the top of the power call, the pause button has turned into a merge call button. So click on that to merge both of those calls into one. Now you're in a three-way conference call, and you can leave the other two parties to speak to each other, or continue on with the conference call. Either way, this is how you've connected your first line to your second line and transferred to an external number.